cast out of your body to the last parasite, drinking half a cup of this a day. The human being has a constant struggle every day against many enemies, bacteria. And is that one of the priorities of everyone regardless of where it is the same: stay healthy. However, this is not an easy task, since bacteria and germs are found everywhere. Therefore, we must make a special effort so that they do not reach the level of causing us serious damage. One of the most common parasitic diseases is amoeba. This is composed of small microorganisms that have no cell wall. The same can be found inside humans and animals like dogs. This parasite is responsible for causing amebiosis, which is the third most important parasitic disease on the planet. A very practical way of ending amoeba or amebiosis is with natural remedies. These are very effective in combating these types of problems. Besides that, they do not cause any damage to the organs of the body, as with some medicines. Then we will leave you several remedies that are very powerful to combat the amoeba. 1. Papaya or milky seed. Papaya seeds, also known as milky seeds, are replete with vitamins and minerals. These help us fight bacteria and amoeba in fantastic ways. We just have to take several seeds and put them in a blender. Then we will liquefy until they have been well crushed. Then add a little papaya and blend all over again. This powerful mixture should be consumed for 7 consecutive nights just before bed. In case you know a little bitter, you can add a little honey as a sweetener. This will kill not only the amoeba, but any harmful bacteria present in your body. 2. Castor oil with milk. 3. Lemon seeds. I ask